Okay, so we just watched an interesting story about a girl Mala. So what happens in the story? I will tell the story, and where I stop, I will tell any student to tell the story. So I want everyone to be careful while listening to the story. So once upon a time, there was a small girl. She was a school goer, but she used to skip her homeworks, and because she was always fond of spending her time in playing, she used to play for the whole day. Many a times her mother advised her not to spend so much of time in playing, but she always turned the blind ear to her. She always turned a blind eye towards her advices. Then one day, when she was forced by her mother to go to school, she decided, yes, Ansh,
she decided to play in to stay in park because she hasn't done her homework, and there was a reading competition, a poem reciting competition in her school. So she stayed in the park and played. First she met us mates and asked them to play with them. They didn't listen to her, and then squirrels looked up and said, "We can't play now. We are collecting food for winter." Uh,
very good. So
the
she met the ants. She met the squirrels. Then then what happens, Ira? Then she met the
Then she met the squirrels
after
and
squirrels.
and
Then she met the
squirrels and
bees.
bees. Then
Bees.
then she said, "Can you play with me?"
Yes.
Then bees ignored.
Because
Then
they said that
then one they said that we are busy. We have to collect food for winter.
yes, very good. Yes, what happens next, Yug?
then
The girl said,
tree in which she came back to home at the ending time, and she told everything to her mom, and her mom got so angry and said that why you always skip school. I always say regularly go to the school. And then and then her mom said that there are only 10 days left to the test. Then Mala said that there are 10 days. There are left too much time to study. I will study soon. But the 10 days finished too fastly. And then there was only one day left, and Mala was crying that she didn't listen her mom's advice, and she will got 0 marks in her school test. And
Very good. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So, Sparsh, do you know what happens next? She started crying that tomorrow is my exam and I am totally unprepared. So, Sparsh, you said that there was some issues with your gadget. So, do you remember? Have you seen the last part?
no,
What
ma'am.
happens next?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Time
and uh, suddenly she woke up in a park and she said, "Thank goodness, this is just a dream." Then after that, she decided that to use time properly and never waste time. She made a timetable for all her activities and game.
Yes, so she learnt the lesson from ants, bees, squirrels, and from her mother that if we divide the time properly, then we can do everything. We can enjoy also, and we can complete our homeworks and classworks also, attend all our classes. But we need to divide our time. We need to bifurcate all our activities in a very planned manner and follow that religiously. Okay.